Hey everybody, meteorologist Derek Beasley here with the Maryland Weather Network with a look at your Friday forecast into the weekend. And right now it looks like we're going to see improving weather for your Saturday and Sunday, but we've got to get through today, which includes more heat and humidity. And yes, another chance for some strong to severe storms. Let's take a look at visible satellite right now across the state. And as you can see, we've got a few high clouds making their way across the region, but plenty of sunshine. Temperatures today are on tap to reach close to 90 degrees. Feels like temps in the mid, maybe even upper 90s in some instances. But looks like for the most part, we're going to be looking at dry conditions. There's going to be a chance for a thunderstorm or two during the afternoon and evening hours here. Looks like after about 2 or 3 o'clock, continuing through sunset. But right now, the coverage does not look like it's going to be as extensive as what we've seen for the past few storm episodes across the region. Still got a flood watch in effect for parts of the state, Garrett County, western parts of Allegheny County. That severe weather risk here for today, a level 1 marginal risk for severe storms across the region. And believe it or not, we're actually going to be seeing this risk extend even into tomorrow for parts of southern Maryland. And really, it looks like the best chance for storms here for tomorrow is going to be just off to our south. So really, it's going to be mainly for areas from really I-70 and points southward. And I think a lot of this is going to be, most of it's going to be just south of our area, at least the most extensive part. And as you can see on Sunday, we're going to be storm free here across the region. So severe weather threats here for today, low end for some wind, low end threat for some flooding, and a low-end threat for some lightning. The coverage, again, will not be quite as extensive as what we've seen with the past few episodes. So let's take a look at our forecast model here, showing that we could see some development as early as 2 or 3 o'clock, but the main coverage is expected after about 4 or 5 o'clock, continuing through the early evening hours. And notice by midnight or before that, all the storms are gone across our region. Forecast low temperatures tonight, 60s and 70s, highs for Saturday, mid to upper 80s, and then Sunday, same story, mid to upper 80s, but the humidity is going to be lower here across the region. All right, here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and after a couple of days of scattered storms here today and tomorrow, looks like Sunday looks good. Highs in the low 80s with a mixture of cloud and sunshine, lows back into the 60s, and then heading into next week, we're going to see a brief period of where the upper level heights, if you will, the high pressure aloft is going to kind of make its way over the region. So kind of a little mini heat dome is going to set up shop over the area by the middle of next week. That means temperatures spiking back into the mid to upper 90s, it looks like, by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. We'll see if that lasts into the end of next week as well. But right now it looks like Wednesday and Thursday are going to be the hottest days over the next 7-day period. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley. That's a look at your Friday and weekend forecasts. I'll let you know if anything changes, of course, as always. Give you updates throughout the day in case we do happen to see any severe weather. Otherwise, enjoy your Friday and weekend, and I'll see you next week.